Hello everyone. We are looking at determinant phase 5 exercise 1 from our package, and we are at question number 26. Again, a basic question on the basic fundamentals, which is what we should be sure about. So we have to find the inverse of a given matrix and we have to show this property or this relationship. So first of all, we have been seeing this before. Whenever 2 by 2 matrix is given to us, so we can directly write the adjoint of A. 2 by 2, adjoint of A, how is it written? Just invert the, exchange the diagonal element. So minus 2 and minus 2. And I should write it as a matrix. And the other elements are multiplied with minus. So this is nothing but this. This is nothing but this. Okay. This is nothing but this. So definitely write the adjoint. Don't do the process. We should be knowing this by now. And we have to find inverse. So we should also know the determinant value of A. Determinant value of this will be minus 4 minus 15. Okay. It is minus 19. Okay. Now, A inverse is adjoint of A divided by the determinant value. So this divided with determinant value, which is minus 19. Okay. So 1 by minus 19 into minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 and 2. Now, if we take minus inside, so 1 by 19 into 2, 3, 5 and minus 2. 2, 3, 5 minus 2 is what? All right. 2, 3, 5 minus 2 is the matrix itself. So this is 1 by 19 into. That's it. Thank you.